Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to clean cooking oil or to recycle it. Yeah, if you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. Yeah, let's start. So I'll start by putting the corn flour into a bowl and then mix it with water. So in this case my corn flour ilisha sasa, it won't be the way I expected it to be. Yeah, but I'll just use it anyway. So if you will be having a new corn flour, you'll make it be thick. So in this case mine is not that thick, it's just, yeah, it's not thick. So I had already heated the oil in the fryer. Yeah, so I'll just pour in the mixture of the corn flour and yeah, ni koroge kiasi so that the corn flour can get hold of those stuff, the remains of the chips. Yeah. So guys, our oil is now clean. Yeah, meanwhile I'll nitachunga viazi so that I can cook some chips so that you can see venye itatokea ikiwa safi. So I'll just peel the potatoes. Yeah. So I guess chipo yetu imeiva sasa. Yeah, you can see the oil is clear, like, yeah, it's clean, and the fries look so sweet. So guys, see you next time in our next video. Goodbye. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.